Are you looking to harness the power of AI technology to generate a steady income online? Hi guys, I'm Lucia from Wondershare Virbo. Virbo is a super easy-to-use AI video generator that can easily transform your text to engaging video in minutes. In today's video, I will walk you through the process of setting up a side hustle and offering AI avatar video services using the Wondershare Virbo AI video generator. By leveraging your creativity and the cutting-edge capabilities of Virbo, you can unlock a lucrative opportunity to make money online while providing valuable services to clients worldwide. Fiverr is a freelancing platform where people offer their services to clients. It has just added a new section to their AI services, and it's called AI Spokesperson's Videos. Tap in and you'll see that there are 344 videos available services and quite a few orders have been generated. Let's choose one of the best-selling gigs and we can see that this freelancer offers 3 levels of service: basic, standard, and premium. Assuming $60 per order, this freelancer can make up to $960 based on 16 orders last month. Fascinating, isn't it? Let me show you how to start your side hustle with Wondershare Virbo step by step. Step 1. Sign up and create a seller profile. Choose Spokesperson's Videos as service category. Step 2. Own Virbo and create a gig. How exactly can Virbo support video creators start this side hustle program? Let's cross-reference this with the gig description of a well-established freelancer. Different avatars. Virbo supports 150 plus AI avatars of different ethnicity, both male and female. Languages. Virbo supports 120 plus voices and languages to fulfill video needs in multiple languages. 1920 by 1080 Full HD quality. Virbo supports both landscape and portrait output with full HD quality. Overlay text. Virbo supports text for 3 levels and various font styles. Add logo and customize background. In Virbo, you can upload all kinds of brand assets, like logos, and make certain edits if necessary. Up to here, these basic features of Virbo are fully capable of allowing you to carry out your video production business, but that's not it. Virbo also got extra advantages to put you ahead of the competition. First, easy to use. Video footage can be exported quickly, and with just basic editing skills, your delivery time will be greatly reduced, which can make you a priority to be chosen. Second, supports both desktop and mobile. And the data is synchronized in Cloud Drive, which means you do not even need to be in the office, but can take the phone to create or modify the materials at any time, anywhere. Step 3. Crafting your gig offering. It's not over after publishing the gig. Leveraging Virbo's resources to expand your services is also critical, since the Fiverr algorithm ranks gigs according to many factors, including completion rates and ratings. Here are some tips. Generally, the price depends on total word count. You can also set customization options in the number of words section and make sure the word unit price is stable at 5 to 6 cents. Of course, you can also offer more advanced but more expensive options in terms of delivery time and language amount. For clients who only need one language in the video, but need to translate into the target language, you can also provide extra translation service. Virbo supports in-end AI translation, which will be very convenient for this. As for the point about most clients are asked to provide scripts is also an opportunity to tap into additional services. You can use Virbo's AI script to charge script writing or optimization service for clients. In fact, you can also open a new gig at AI voice generation. Turn text to video with Virbo and just do some audio separation. You can provide voiceover services to clients. With these tips for extra services, you'll easily make your money back. So, are you ready to start leveraging AI today and unlock new opportunities for your Fiverr freelance career? Download Virbo for free trial and make money online. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more valuable content.